Good morning, everybody. I am Rajiv Ranjan Mishra, Assistant Professor, School of Hospitality, Oro University, Surat, Gujarat. The topic of my study is Tourism in a World with Pandemics, Global Responsibility and Action. In late December 2019, a previous unidentified coronavirus, currently named as the 2019 novel coronavirus, emerged from Wuhan, China, and resulted in a formidable outbreak in many cities in China and expanded globally, affecting 212 countries and territories around the world. Currently, there is no definite treatment for COVID-19, although some drugs are under investigation. The spread of coronavirus disease is becoming unstoppable and has infected more than 45 lakhs people across the globe. As on May 15, 2020, more than 3 lakh deaths globally were documented by World Health Organization. The COVID-19 outbreak has brought the world to a standstill with unparalleled and unforeseen impact in our lives, our economies, our societies, and our livelihoods, and there are growing risks of a global recession and a massive loss of jobs. Now, what is the impact of COVID-19 on tourism industry? The global outbreak of COVID-19 has demolished the global economy, and there are no qualms that the tourism and hospitality industry is exception. In order to maintain checks and balances for control of spread of and COVID-19, the travel advisories and restrictions which are enforced by the nations across the world have crippled the business and economy, which has resulted in revenue and job losses. With airplanes grounded, millions of people in quarantine, and hundreds of travel bans in place, COVID 19 has engulfed the globe and has brought the global tourism industry to a grinding halt. Considering the unparalleled and fast evolving nature of crisis, it is extremely challenging to estimate the impact of COVID 19 on international tourism. Based on the latest developments, the evolutions in Asia and the Pacific, and the patterns of previous crises, UNWTO estimates international tourist arrivals could decline by 20 to 30% in 2020. This would translate into a loss of 300 to 450 US billion dollar in international tourism receipts, almost one third of the US $1.5 trillion generated globally in the worst case scenario. Now, when we talk about Indian context, the first case of COVID-19 pandemic in India was reported in Kerala on 30th January 2020. As on May 15, 2020, 82,000 people are infected with more than 2,700 deaths. The coronavirus pandemic would have a debilitating impact on India's tourism sector, with the industry estimating an overall loss of rupees 5 lakh crore and job cuts for 4 to 5 crore people. As estimated by Confederation of Indian Industry, of the total losses, the organized sector in the industry, branded hotels, tour operators, travel agencies, which are the mainstay of the sector, may be hit the hardest with an estimated loss of around rupees 1.58 lakh crore. The industry body has projected that branded hotel groups are set to lose as much as rupees 1.10 lakh crore, online travel agencies rupees 4,312 crore, tour operators inbound as well as domestic rupees 25,000 crore, adventure tour operators rupees nearly 19,000 crore, and cruise tourism rupees 419 crore. The CII expects that the industry will see cash flows only beginning to improve in November 2020 and perhaps get to normal levels by